welcome to another video and welcome back to Obby Gaming. Today we are playing Obby, but you are a bird. Let's get started. Quick, Editor Haley. Come on, Editor Haley, be faster. Checkpoint every... What? Yeah, I said that. So let's go ahead. Let's go. This game seems very easy, but maybe at higher level it will get harder. I'm not sure about it. Okay. Editor Haley, you mess up a lot of time of playing. But this game you seems like pretty good. Quick, Editor Haley. Editor Haley. Quick. Go. This way. Okay. Come, quick! Okay, nothing. Okay, Editor Haley's doing good. Please. I don't want to die! Editor Haley is good at this game. Let's go. And not this way, I think. Yeah, this way. Editor Haley! I played this game. Okay. Where is Editor Haley? Yeah. And then this way. No, please don't. Reset. Editor Haley! Wait for me! Wait for me, Haley. Okay. Oh. Okay. Let's go. This game seems pretty easy. Okay, up there. I don't want to die. Oh no. Editor Haley! Okay, nothing is wrong. Oh, I am following Editor Haley. Okay. What? No, I died. Editor Haley. Wait for me. Oh. No! Wait for me, Editor Haley. Please wait. Okay, this should be easy. Okay, that was intense, but we made it through. By the way, only gaming fans will subscribe and like the video. So you should do that too. Go. Oh no, Editor Haley. I'm waiting for you, Editor Haley. Oh no. No bird past this one. Go through. No, I'm not. Okay, come on. Okay, wait for me, okay. Okay. Okay, where is Editor Haley? Editor Haley! Quick, quick. While we are waiting, Editor Haley, you should definitely subscribe and like the video. Again. Oh, Editor Haley. I just found out that it will make quack sound when you jump. Hello, Oaties. Okay, Haley is back. Okay, go. You go first, Editor Haley. Go. Okay. This should be easy, right? No! Oh my God! That was close. That was close. Okay. Let's go. Let's go, Editor Haley. We can do this. I'm pretty sure this way. Okay, I'm just following you, Editor Haley. Editor Haley, please. Where will we? Yeah, what should wait? It should be easy. What? Oh yeah. Yeah. Reset. Huh? Why? Oh gosh. Okay. We just went here. Oh, Editor Haley. Oh, come on. should we do? I don't like this level. We should wrap around. Oh God. What should we do? Ah. Yeah, we're here. And then we go up, right? Yeah. Oh, we went here? Yeah, we went here. And this was the closest cut I ever had. Maybe this way? Yeah. Go. Okay. We are making progress. And then we go. Let me see. Oh, I found out! Come on, Editor Haley. Come. Oh. Okay, then go. Is this a finish? Finished? Why you really? No, I'm. What? I don't know. Not yet, okay. We go here, we go there. Go up here, we don't know. Okay, that way. We are making progress. Oh, Jesus. Why Haley always through? Go, Haley. Go, you go first. Okay. This shouldn't be hard. It shouldn't be hard. Whew. Okay. We are making progress. Maybe this way. Or not this way. Oh God, please don't die. Oh, thank you. If she dies, you got a slap at emotional damage in there. Okay, this is easy. Where is Haley? Okay, down there. Quick. Okay. Easy. Why? Oh gosh. Why? Got a slap at emotional damage in there. Why? I hate this game. Oh my God! Oh wait. Help. This game is so hard. Yeah, I hate this game. What? I hate this game. Oh. Oh. Why? This game sucks. Why Haley brought me to this game? Why Haley brought me to this game? This game sucks. I did not die. I didn't die. You died. Oh, finally. Oh, help. This game is kind of hard. Not, I admit it. Oh. Should we have a checkpoint right now? Here's the checkpoint. Maybe. Let's finish this video. I spell wrong. Where is we follow finish? Finish this video. Where are, oh God, Haley, where is it? Oh. Let's finish. Finish this video. Video. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Remember to like and subscribe. Goodbye.